Hi friends, today I will show you how to remove a Yale sliding door lock surface mounted on a door if you want it to be taken out. This kind of Yale, it has a tamper-proof screw. What I mean for the tamper-proof screws is that you can just tighten it. That's clockwise, but you cannot loosen it because there is nothing. It's sliding from that when you turn it counterclockwise. So one way to remove this, if you have a wooden door and let's say for some cases which you want this removed for a rekey or you lost the key, so this is one of the way. So if your door is a hardwood, so I suggest that you have to bore a hole from this side directing to the tamper-proof screw here, right? It should be on the side of the lock, so bore a hole there. You will feel that you hit the screw there, so just stop, right? Then you have to bore it all on four sides where the screw is. You are wondering why I'm doing this. Well, this is one way to apply WD-40 inside to loosen it if you have a hardwood kind of a door. So you pop the WD-40 there, that will help it loosen from the wood. Now the next, this kind of screw actually is not 100% tamper-proof. It can be removed by a cold chisel and a hammer, right? So what you should do, you see this is the sliding part here, so you have to turn this tamper-proof screw counterclockwise to loosen it. So let's start. It will turn slowly. You see, it's turning now. Just keep on turning it until you expose the whole head of the tamper-proof screw. Okay, so that's coming out now, right? Now once it is coming out, okay, so that's the time for you to grab it with a vice grip. Grab the head. You see that the WD-40 helps the hole I made on the side. Now turn it. You see, it's very loose now. Okay, this kind of screw is I think this is 3 inches. Oh, this is 2 inches, sorry, right? This is 2 inches long. So after you finish with the one, you can proceed with the next, and the same thing, because you already applied the WD-40 on the side, going through that a little bit bottom of this tamper-proof screw. So all you have to do again is loosen this. You see that it's easily taken out until it is fully, the head is fully exposed. Well, on the door it's much more easier because the lock is installed with an easy access for all sides. See that the head now is coming out, so you have to pinch it with the vice grip again and turn it. You see that WD-40 really helps, you see, and also the same with this see that this is a very tight kind of screw. It is not just being installed. Sometimes the installer installed it with by using the machine, so it's really very hard. So making a hole on this 4 sides, angle to the screw, and then put WD-40, that will help you a lot in making it easy. Yeah, a hammer and a cold chisel will solve your problem with this. Okay, that's one already finished. We'll start with this bottom here. Yeah, this one is easy. I think WD-40 really helps it a lot to loosen the grip from the wood. So this is not actually a tamper-proof as they called it. It can be tampered in a way. So if you have this kind, especially this Yale is supplied by this kind of screw, we call it tamper-proof. Actually, it can be remedied when you want it removed. You just let the head pop up a little to be beaten by the vice grip, and you can just use a vice grip and loosen it. And the good thing with this is that you can reuse it again. Now you can remove it, right? Now you remove the lock. So the door is open, and the next I will show you when it is open how you want to rekey it. Okay folks, so I'll pause it for a while, and I'll continue when I prepare the things that needed to be prepared.